nothing, all talking, no team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is us made for this, paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right, get on sight right.
We're back on the R32 this week. Where do we start? So I've done so much without recording it. She's got an MOT now. Done about 1,500 odd miles to and from work. Cost me about £72,000 in petrol. The bumper bonnet has been painted and I've got a new wing. Some guy on eBay sells them for 100 quid painted already, so I'm going to fit one of those, see what they're like. I've got some new wheels, genuine BBS CHs with brand new Falcon winter tyres. Exhaust sleeve, because I've done the resonator delete. Bumper, nice new paint on the bonnet and the wings inside there. But the first job, I need to make this thing drivable so I can drive it back to work on Monday, because the T6 is going to be parked right here and I'll be starting the furniture and airlift install. So first job, fit the headlights. I got a bit impatient and I smashed the headlight off. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this wing and then I'm going to use the plug off the old Golf, sorry, the diesel Golf, the parts Golf, and repin that plug. So it's escalated. In one of the original videos I said I would repair this. I found some paint from my old Passat CC. That's not the only thing I found. Our CV boot is split. I noticed all the grease on the sump. Is where I bought the cheap drive shafts. You can see where it goes into the gearbox. This boot is relatively slim. Same with that one. So I'd imagine this is going to have to stay here tonight, but we'll see. Good news though, got one of the wheels on. They look bloody lovely. That's the before, the blow. Back box is off. All I did was remove the 4 bolts, which are, so you can see, this is where it's been blown and this is the ending on the sleeve. Yeah, easy. Right, that's one job fixed. No more blows. Ready, I'll treat you now. Probably could have put that in a better place, it's all steamed up. What do you reckon, bit of drive shaft time? Take the drive shaft out? Yeah. I'll see if I can find some cable ties, we might be able to drive it away today. But if not, it ain't happening. I've just taken off this circlip. Take this, some form of constant velocity thing off it. So I'll split this one and remove this boot, because this boot isn't split. And use this boot on this shaft and then repack it with grease, put the bearing back in, job done.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
So what we're doing first then, we're going to put the boot on. I originally bought this for the R32 because I was going to rebuild the drive shafts. Fucking Granville CV grease. Put some in the boot. Bearings are on. Greasy, greasy. I fitted the drive shaft. I didn't get a torch yet. And the drive shaft, where the cable ties on, was knocking on the ridge at the bottom of the engine block there. This ridge here. So what I've had to do is take the cable ties off, and I've salvaged one of the clips off the other. The new drive shaft that was in that position that had the split boot. There's a cable tie on there that doesn't hit, and I got the old clip on this drive shaft. So now I'm going to fit that one, get the car button back up. But I started to remove the drop link. That thread is spinning, and look at the quality of these ball joints. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. But it's split. It's been on there, what? Maybe been on there 4 months. Been driven 1,500 miles. Bit of a joke, I think. I've got a spare I can fit on this side, then I need another one for the other side. All back together. Drive shafts in. New drop link. And, oh, nearly forgot you. Nearly forgot you, babes. Wings on. Colour's noticeably different. That alignment could be better as well. It could be pulled in a bit there. It's been about 20 minutes. Door opens. Headlights relatively well aligned on this side. That could come in a little bit that way. Maybe the bumper will pull it in a bit. Doesn't it look good? Oh. Nothing wants to let me drive this car away. I came to the door lock module. I've just checked, I'll show you. Front right door lock control unit mechanism. There. Looks surprisingly a lot like that. It's raining. It's 4:15. I'd have to strip the door skin off the Golf outside. I can't plug a battery in to see if it even bloody works. Pain in the ass. Nothing wants to let me take this thing home today. But it does look good with the wheels on. You can see the brakes as well this time. And we have ourselves another door lock module. Let's fucking hope it works, eh? Let's fit it. Put it in position there. This is by far my least favourite job in the car. It's fucking door lock modules. Fin. That's routed through the car. You see the opposite of what I've just done twice. I think now door skin goes on, screws into there first. Then I can get a couple of the screws in for the door skin, which is a T25. Different fixings in the front, so watch out for that. They're slightly smaller and they're not combed on the end. I'm driving you home tonight. Bitch. Right, handle. Thing there goes on a little bracket, like a little arm on the inside. Put it in. Get it on. Get your door handle in. This thing, which pulls your handle from the inside, from the outside, just locates inside there. Just pushes in. See it? Put that in. That little thing as far outward as you can into that little channel. It just means it will engage. The further out it is, the sooner it will engage. There. That thing goes in. So when you twist it, oh, that's the old one. It opens or shuts the door. T20 Torx bit. That'll hold the barrel in position. It'll just sort of screws down onto it, I think. Make sure it's home. Yeah, that's in there. These are the T30 Torx bits. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the inside. Then you've got another, I believe, 6 on the bottom. They go here. Let's give her a test. Lovely. Finishing touch then. Voila. Right then, transporter's in. I managed to defeat bloody golf. Transporter's in. This is where she's going to stay for maybe the next month or so whilst I install the air ride. Van Project 77 furniture, and got a few other little bits in those boxes, diesel heater, cab curtain, that sort of stuff. Anyway, I think before I wrap this video up, I'm going to have a go at some cinematic edits on the R32 tomorrow. Give it a wash and then wrap it up. So look forward to that. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you later. Safe.
Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright.
Nothing, all talking, no team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is us made for this, paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like. Been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like. Down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like. Never really know when you're gonna go. Why you gotta put another foot in front of yours? Bury them toes, carry them close. I was never one to care about my mentos. I was like froze, now I'm on floor. Give me that smoke, but I can't get high. We do the most, here to inspire. Doing what I'm supposed, but I can't get tired. Run for your life, every night. See in the dark, blind by the light. I got the spark, I got the pipes. All of my arts coming to life. Had to face my fears, but I chased my... Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100, it's all that I wanted. But lately I don't get the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me all over this planet.